Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Malay Philippines. Right now, we're gonna meet our one of the subscriber in MC Cafe in Balibago Walking Street. So, let's go. We're here already in MC Cafe and Resto. Hi guys, we're here in MC Cafe Restaurant. So we're gonna meet with one of the subscriber here.
The music is too loud. Yeah, but that's good. That's a good thing. That's a Filipino. All girls will be angry. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Hi guys, we're here in MC Cafe Restaurant. So we met one subscriber. His name is
David.
David.
Yes, he is from Australia.
From Australia.
Yes.
We meet already. We're just having some fun only.
Thank you.
David, say hi to subscribers.
Hi everyone. Finally met Leon and Shira. Fantastic guys. I'm back from Australia. Hope to see you all soon and post more videos.
Thank you. Thank you for watching also.
So let's go.
Thank you.
SM. No, I'll go back to the hotel. I'm just gonna relax.
Start train already.
No, it's literally around the corner. My hotel is just around the corner. I go here and go down there. I make it no problem. Nice to meet you. I'm very, very happy to meet you. I
Nice
hope
to
to see
meet
you
you
all
too.
soon again. Yeah?
So you know my phone number already.
Yes. Yeah, so I'll just text you.
Okay,
Alright,
thank
if you're
you.
free,
Yes, we're always free.
Yeah?
But just if you're not, just need only go to Santos. Or check up, we just go there only.
Yeah,
But
we
we're
can-
not,
we can probably catch up for dinner or something. You can meet my wife.
oh, yeah,
Yeah? Yeah. Because I'm sure she want to meet you. Yeah.
I'm not beautiful.
Filipinas are all
She
beautiful.
always worry about it.
No. That's why I was watching the video because I saw you. I thought, wow, beautiful. I thought you got a lucky guy. You had a lucky guy. All right.
Okay,
Take care.
thank you.
Just text me.
Okay.
I'll text you if I say we're free, and we catch up whenever you're free. Okay. All right.
So
Like,
just real you.
yeah. Like I'm literally around the corner, so we can go out, in, wherever you want. Yeah. Whichever's easy for you. All right.
Okay na na only.
No, understand. No, I understand. We're not going there. My wife doesn't go there either. It's only me.
But one also like customer there, he tried to
Yeah,
go
grab
to
you.
the bottom way.
Yeah. You think you're a barker? No,
Oh,
you're not. Yeah.
They think I'm bargain but I'm not.
I know. Well, my wife was the same.
Uh-huh.
She walking down the street and they ask her the same thing, and she goes, "Who do you think you are?" Yeah. So.
Maybe I can punch them. That's why I just only like, no.
Yeah. No, I'm not. So that's why she let me walk around myself, like Leon. Leon walk around himself.
If you see the birds getting angry, maybe you don't know how to.
Like I said to you, it was a real pleasure to meet you. I'm very happy, and you guys lived my expectations. Just as good to meet you all. All right. I'll text you in a few days, and maybe we can catch up, or we can go up to the hotel. Here, there's a pool, dining room, and there's a restaurant upstairs. Have you been up there?
No, we've been only one restaurant. I don't know what name.
Amsterdam Hotel. Amsterdam.
Amsterdam. I used to go there.
Yes.
Yeah. No.
The other one.
I'll take you to this hotel here. They got restaurant, everything in there, and you just go straight up. So I'll text you. You just come up to the hotel. Just tell them my name, David Man. I'll come down and we can go up.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Take care.
See
Take
you
care.
again.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Oh, it's getting late. So I need to go home already.
It's okay, we can rent.